Welcome back, cruisers! Today, we're diving into our 12 tips video to save you from a nightmare cruise. Following the tips in this video is an important step to ensure you have a great cruise vacation. We've all heard the horror stories that happen when someone has a terrible vacation experience. Normally, those bad outcomes could have been prevented or at least mitigated with proper planning up front. That's where we come in to help you get on the right track. Our team had decades of cruise experience on a number of cruise lines, having explored destinations all over the world. Here at Cruiser's Edge, we want to share that knowledge with our subscribers to make sure you have the vacation of your dreams. So sit back and take notes as we provide you with the Cruiser's Edge. Be sure to hang in there until the end, and we will throw in a bonus tip to make sure you avoid that nightmare cruise. Let's set sail. Getting things kicked off, our first tip is research and choose the right cruise line. When it comes to planning a vacation, few experiences rival the luxury and excitement of a cruise. The fun that comes with exploring exotic destinations and being pampered on board are great. However, selecting the ideal cruise to match your needs can be a daunting task. Cruise ships come in all shapes and sizes with an assortment of onboard activities. Whether you are seeking a family vacation with the kids' clubs and water parks, or a luxurious escape with spa treatments and gourmet dining, there is a cruise line to cater to your needs. Consider the ship's features carefully to make sure it aligns with your vacation goals. Researching the reputation of various cruise lines is vital in making an informed decision. Make sure to select one that aligns with your preferences. Read passenger reviews to gauge their service quality and the experience of past cruisers to ensure a reliable track record, and consider the target audience they cater to. We will be constantly adding review videos on the various cruise lines and the many ships in their fleet. Be sure to check back for those videos. Subscribe and click the bell icon to be alerted when they are released. Tip 2. Select the appropriate itinerary. Different cruise lines specialize in varying regions, and their itineraries vary greatly. Choose an itinerary that matches your desired destinations and activities. Consider the ports of call, weather conditions during your travel dates, and the specific attractions or experiences you want to enjoy at each destination. Are you yearning for Caribbean adventure, an Alaskan expedition, or a Mediterranean exploration? Pick an itinerary that excites you. I know this one sounds simplistic, but I recently spoke to someone who had just come back from an Alaskan cruise, and they were upset because it wasn't warm enough outside to use the pool daily. So this step is most important to consider first. We have an informative video on bucket list must-cruise destinations that can help with this step. We'll be sure to put a link in the description so that you can watch that video next. So we'd like to know, what is the one port you're anxious to visit? Or what's your favorite port of the ones you've visited? Let us know in the comments section below. Now, the third tip will help you in many ways, and one of them is saving you time. Tip 3 is study the ship. The size of the cruise ship can significantly impact your overall experience. Larger ships often offer more dining options, entertainment venues, and onboard activities, but they might lack the intimate atmosphere of smaller vessels. Consider whether you prefer a bustling, vibrant atmosphere or a more relaxed, intimate setting. Familiarize yourself with the ship you'll be sailing on. Explore the ship's layout to understand where amenities and facilities are located. Check out cabin options to find the one that suits your preferences. Knowing the ship well will help you navigate more efficiently. Tip 4 can save you both money and potential headaches. And that's why tip 4 is purchase travel insurance. Protect yourself by purchasing comprehensive travel insurance. Ensure it covers trip cancellations, medical emergencies, and lost belongings. Trip cancellation covers you if unexpected events force you to cancel or interrupt your cruise. Covered reasons might include illness, injury, a family emergency, or unforeseen work obligations. With trip cancellation coverage, you can receive reimbursement for non-refundable expenses like cruise fares, flight, and prepaid excursion. Also, medical emergencies can happen at any time, even while on vacation. Travel insurance can cover medical expenses incurred during your cruise, including doctor visits, hospital stays, and emergency medical transportation. This is especially crucial when sailing to remote destinations where medical facilities may be limited. Then there's baggage protection. It can cover you if you experience lost, stolen, or damaged luggage, which can be a major inconvenience during your vacation. Having this coverage will allow you the means to replace essential items and continue enjoying your cruise. And evacuation coverage is also important in extreme cases where you might ever require emergency medical evacuation from the ship. Having travel insurance provides peace of mind and financial security in case unexpected events occur. Tip 5. Pack wisely. Pack wisely by considering the weather conditions at your destinations. Pack appropriate clothing, including essentials like medications and toiletries. Don't forget important documents like passports and travel itineraries. Being prepared will save you from unnecessary stress. This one may not be much fun, but it's very important and has to be done by everyone before you sail away. But tip 6 is to attend the safety drill. The safety drill, also known as the muster drill or lifeboat drill, is a mandatory safety procedure to inform you about what to do in case of an emergency. When you board the ship, attend the mandatory safety drill. Nowadays, ships have gone to more of a self-muster type system. You'll have the ability, in most cases, to watch the muster drill on your phone or on your stateroom TV, but you may still have to report to your assigned muster station to check in. Once that step is done, you are all ready to get your vacation kicked off. Pay attention to safety procedures, emergency exits, and life-saving equipment demonstrations. Understanding these safety measures will ensure you're well prepared in the very unlikely case of emergencies.
Hi cruisers, I'm Shay, your cruise director. We're sailing under beautifully clear skies today. But I've just gotten word from the captain. Apparently there's a YouTube algorithm monster just ahead. A lot of research and effort goes into making a video like this. Hopefully if we keep things ship-shape, the algorithm monster will let us pass. We'll start by swabbing the deck. You can help us out by polishing up that like button and gently depressing it. You can smash it if you like. But we would like to be able to say no, like buttons were harmed in the making of this video. Oh, and don't forget to show the subscribe button some attention and ring the bell so you will be notified of our upcoming videos. It would help us out greatly. We have some really good content coming up and I wouldn't want you to miss out. Alright guys, this is Shay, your cruise director signing off. Thanks and back to the video.
And for tip number 7, be mindful of your health. Stay mindful of your health throughout the cruise. Wash your hands regularly, use hand sanitizers, and follow any health guidelines provided by the cruise line. Stay hydrated, get enough rest, and don't forget to apply sunscreen when you're out on deck. Tip 8 is be aware of your surroundings. Stay aware of your surroundings while on board. Familiarize yourself with the ship's layout and emergency exits. Pay attention to safety announcements and follow crew instructions. Report any hazards or suspicious activity to the crew promptly. Step 9. Follow safety guidelines. Follow safety guidelines provided by the cruise line. Avoid leaning over railings, be cautious during water activities, and always use common sense. Your safety should be a top priority throughout the cruise. Tip 10. Respect local customs and cultures. As you explore different destinations during your cruise, always respect local customs and cultures. Embrace diversity and be a responsible traveler, leaving a positive impact on the places you visit. Take time to research the culture norms of each destination before you arrive. Avoid engaging in behavior that could be considered offensive or disrespectful. Whether you're on an excursion or touring on your own, be respectful of the wildlife and leave no trace behind. You'll not only create memorable and authentic experiences for yourself, but also create goodwill between travelers and the local community. Tip 11. Practice responsible alcohol consumption. Enjoy the onboard bars and lounges responsibly. Pace yourself and be aware of your alcohol consumption. Excessive drinking can impair judgment and lead to accidents or regrettable behavior. Drink responsibly and be mindful of your limits. And finally, tip 12 is stay calm in case of emergencies. Now, the truth is, it's very unlikely you'll experience an emergency on board your next cruise, but in the unlikely event that you do the thing to remember in case of emergencies, stay calm and follow the cruise instructions. Panic can escalate the situation. Trust the crew's expertise and act accordingly. Your calmness will help ensure a safer resolution. By following these steps, you can ensure a safer and more enjoyable cruise experience. Bonus tip: remember to smile, be happy, and have fun. You're on vacation, enjoy it. Remember to stay informed, be prepared, and make the most of your vacation. Thanks for watching Cruiser's Edge. Our goal is to keep you and updated on all things cruising, giving you an edge on cruising. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips. If there's a video topic you'd like to see us cover, please let us know in the comments section below. Happy sailing!